SOLIDWORKS surfacing tools can be used to create geometry that might otherwise be impossible to create using standard extruded bosses, revolves, sweeps, and lofts. Modeling using surfacing techniques not only lets you create complex geometry and shapes, but also can come in handy making edits and fixes to existing solid models, and also in preparing broken imported parts. Some designers even prefer working with surface features over solid features, and then knitting the surface model to form a solid at the very end. You'll see what I mean by this later on in the course. The choice and approach you take depend both on the task at hand and your personal preference. Like other SOLIDWORKS tools, as you practice using them and start incorporating them into your designs, they'll become almost second nature. In this course, I'll show the basics of the surfacing tools that I find myself using the most often. But before I start going over the individual tools in detail, let's take a quick look at what a surface is exactly in SOLIDWORKS. Once you're familiar with the tools, I recommend going through the case study immediately following this course. In the case study, you'll see how all the tools work together to create the types of models you see in the real world.